In our Indian subcontinent, our sisters have a major misconception. They have gold, they have silver, and they say you have to pay it, meaning the husband has to pay it. And if they are unmarried, they expect the father to pay it or the elder brothers to pay it. This is absolutely un-Islamic. Make it clear. The woman who is the owner, or forget, see, if I put woman, man, it may make us confused. Make it very simple. The owner of the property has to pay, irrespective whether that's a man or a woman. The question, what if I'm not earning? It's a very simple question. What if I'm not earning? Without earning, how did you get it? You didn't question when you were receiving it, now. Or I'm not earning, why are you giving it to me? You got it without earning, pay it without earning. How? If you have money which you have collected from your husband or your father has given you as a gift, you have been depositing that money, you can use that money to pay your zakat, one thing. Otherwise, EMI. Zakat has EMI, every month installment. Many people don't know this. Suppose a woman, she knows she has to pay 1200 rupees in zakat. She knows this is the gold and she is very confident nothing will get added to it, and she is confident I will not be able to sell anything from it. She is confident this will be my gold. And when she calculated after 12 months I will be paying 1200 rupees. So EMI, every month she can give 100 rupees with the niyyah of zakat. 12th month reaches, she has already paid her zakat, alhamdulillah. Even that scheme is there in Islam. Installment scheme. And this is permissible installment scheme. Interest-free installment scheme for zakat. And sisters, be very clear. The question that you have, I am not earning, how shall I pay it? Just put the question, how did you get it without earning then? So, what will you do if you don't have money? You will have to sell from it. This is the exam from Allah. Do you love the command of Allah more? Or that gold, silver or the money with you more?